annual rental is now available for immediate occupancy in Venetian Golf and River Club. This beautiful first-floor condo has been recently updated with all new stainless steel appliances. Refrigerator is 1 year old. New washer and dryer, newly installed custom plantation shutters, crown molding and painting throughout. New carpeting in master bedroom with custom-built closet organizers. New laminate wood flooring in the second and 3 bedrooms. New air conditioner and a new hot water heater. Beautiful private preserve and water views from lanai and privacy to the side just adds to the beauty of this condo. Rent includes full access to all the amenities at the River Club, including fine dining, a world-class fitness center with fitness classes, swim at the resort and lap swimming pools, or relax and have a snack at the poolside tiki bar. Play tennis on the 6 Har-Tru tennis courts or take a walk around the boardwalk that loops through the nature preserve to the Myakka River.